Good evening, students. How are you? Last time I taught you about the height and distance in the first session. Hope you all understand the topic. So, today we will discuss the question and the answer of the question, means solution of the question. So, let's see. Today is 21 and same topic is height and distance. So I told you in height and distance topic, means there is a formation of angle of elevation and angle of depression. So angle of elevation and angle of depression, I told you how we write the angle of elevation and angle of depression. First is angle of elevation. So an angle of elevation means a person is looking from the ground and angle is forming upward, means object is here. So we make a perpendicular distance on the base, and in this way we make here angle, and we find the value of this theta, and if we find the value of this theta with respect of sine, cos and tan, we will find out the any of the distance. For example, this distance, this side distance and this distance. If we consider it is a right triangle, this is a hypotenuse, this is a perpendicular height, and this is the base. So any of the distance we can find out. And second is the angle of depression. Angle of what? Angle of depression. Okay, I want to clear here one thing. Elevation means going upward. As you know, elevators in the buildings, with the help of elevators, we go upward and downward also, but we just consider only the upward case. And depression means when your emotions you are not feeling good, your emotion will get depressed. So we consider it as a depression means a downward case. In this case, I told you means we have to construct angle from here. From this is the eye. If we are looking something from the top, in this way the angle will be formed, and here whatever be the angle formed, that angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because you know the theorem. If two lines are parallel, means AB and CD are parallel, AB parallel to CD, then what these angles are known as? What is that theorem? Yes, that these angles are known as interior exterior angles. No. Then what? Vertical opposite angle? No. Vertical opposite angle like in that case when there is the two lines cutting both of them on a single point, then this and this known as the 1 and 2 is known as the vertical opposite angle. So here means this is the transversal line, these two are parallel. Transversal line, these two are angles, the value of theta 1 and theta 2 will be equal. Clear? So this angle is known as a depression. I want to told you here depression means we are getting depressed, so it is looking from upward to downward. So we will find the value of this theta with respect of sine, cos and tan. We get the value of this angle. Okay, so let's start some question here, then we will become more clear in this way. So first question is, the length of the thread of a kite is 120 meter. Okay, which makes which makes 30° angle of elevation from the ground. Then we have to find the height of the kite from the ground. Okay, so this is our question. Let's find out the answer of this thing. So first we construct a figure here. What is that figure? So please consider this is a kite. This is a kite. You already have around the kite. Okay, this is the kite. It is flying. This is the point A. So we will take here perpendicular distance. And join these two points. So this is our figure here. What are this thing? This is point A, this is B, this is C. So as per the question, the kite is the thread of a kite is 120 meter. Means a person is flying from here. Clear? Like this is a person flying a kite. So this height is how much? 120 meter. Okay, this side we can take this in this form. And this is the height of kite from the ground. So angle of elevation means he is looking from here to the up top. So this angle will be made by the eye of the person, and this is a 30 degree. Okay, got it? So we will see here according to image or according to image, or we can see a figure. Okay, according to diagram, let the thread of the kite equal to AC, and the value of the AC, length of AC is 120 meter. I am writing meter in just m. Okay, and angle of elevation of the kite from the ground is how much? We will write this angle BCA equal to 30 degree. It is given to us. What? This is the given condition, and this is also given to us. And let kite distance we can say kite distance or height from land means point B equal to h. Okay, so we will use here which rule? We will use here, therefore, why the rule of why sine rule using in triangle ABC. We will use the sine rule in triangle ABC. So here, as you know, sine theta equal to how much? Sine theta equal to perpendicular distance upon hypotenuse. Okay, so I am writing here sine theta equal to perpendicular distance AB upon hypotenuse means AC. Got it, this thing? So moving forward, this sine theta equal to AB upon AC, and we know the value of theta equal to, because theta equal to 30 degree, and all other value we will substitute respectively. AB is h, so we will put sine 30 degree equal to how much? This is the height, AB is the height, so h, and AC is given to us, means AC is 120 meter. So AC is, we will put here 120, because you know the value of sine theta means sine 30 equal to 1 upon 2. So we will put sine 30 equal to 1 upon 2 here. equal to h upon 120. What is this thing? So this 120, by the cross multiplication we come to know h equal to 120 upon 2, that is 60, and meter equal to meter. So hence we can say h, the height of the kite from land equal to how much? 60 meter. So this is the answer. What? This is our answer. So once again I am revising this. Let's see it. So our question is, the length of the thread of a kite is 120 meter, which makes 30-degree angle of elevation from the ground. Find the height of the kite from the ground. So we create a image here. According to diagram, let the thread of the kite equal to AC, and AC value is 120 meter. Angle of elevation means BCA is 30-degree angle. Let kite distance from land equal to h, means from ground. So here we will use the sine rule. So from sine rule, using sine rule in triangle ABC, sin theta equal to AB upon AC, sin theta equal to AB upon AC. So on the place of AB we will put h, and on the place of AC we will put 120, and the value of theta equal to 30 degree. So sin theta 30 equal to h upon 120, sin 30 equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, h upon 120 h. Hence the height of the kite from land equal to 60 meter. Hope you all understand this. Okay. So in this way we will solve more other questions. So next time we will discuss other question. I am writing the question. The top of a tree after breaking creates 60-degree angle. From ground. If the base of branch and the distance between top of tree is equal to how much? 8 meter. Then find how much height a tree has till top to bottom. Okay, so next session we will see the answer. Okay, thank you student, bye.